Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use coupons on Temu. So if you have the coupons and you want to avail them, you want a discount. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you can get them. So first, you just have to simply open the Temu app and make sure you're already logged in with your account. Once you're there, then you can just simply get any products. If you have any products in your cart, you can just simply use it. You just have to simply go to checkout page. Once you go to your checkout page, there you will see the option for the coupons. Now what you have to do here is that you just have to simply scroll down a little bit and there you will see the option of coupon. Here you have to click on apply coupon code. Click onto it. If you have any coupon, it will appear there and then you can click on apply. Right now I don't have any coupon, therefore it is not there. But if you have, so you can just simply click onto it, and after that you can just simply check out and then you will get a discount from that coupon. So that's how you can use coupon on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.